Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, just install your new defaults from Play Store. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When it's ready, click on Home button and go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then click on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, you need to select Default Apps and finally select one of those sections. For example, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser over here, click on Opera Mini in order to set it up, and tap on the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!